Hi, I'm Pam Perfecto. Welcome back to Tap Realty. If you're new to this channel, I'm an accredited real estate salesperson, creating content about the really exciting properties available in the market and all kinds of latest trends in real estate. I'm taking you to a home that's accessible to the central business district. So you have accessibility to Alabang, you have accessibility to Taguig, and it's very close to NAIA International Airport, so traveling won't be a problem. Here we are in Multinational Village, known for its safe and peaceful community. If you're looking for a private place to stay, be sure to stick around. You're surely going to enjoy the exclusivity of this space. All of the specifications of the house will be at the end of the video and in the description box below, so you can really enjoy the full experience. The cool feature of this place is that it has a big garage, which means there's a lot of space you can just play around with and be creative. As you can see, the architecture and design, there's a lot of European inspiration into it, so it feels luxurious, grandiose.
Parce que je me sentais seule dans ma petite bulle. Je voulais danser mais je me sentais comme un funambule. Parce que je me sentais seule et t'es arrivé. T'as soufflé sur mon visage comme une brise légère d'été. Oh, 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 viens on s'en va même si on ne sait pas vraiment où l'on va. Juste loin de là. Oh, 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 viens on part loin, qu'importe le chemin, qu'importe le destin.
For more information about this property, I'll leave all of my contact details in the description box below, so you can Viber me, you can messenger me, you can call me, text me, and check out our social media so you can stay updated. You may also contact me to book your viewing. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tap Realty. See you guys soon. Bye!
Comme si ce temps passé m'avait tout